I want to go over what we did on Lexie's hair. She came with a natural ombre and wanted to brighten up her ends a little more without using chemicals. So we decided to go with Hairlocs Straight. We used 6 bundles of the I-tip in 20-inch extensions, and we used full point cylinders. So the color options that we chose were HC number 18, number 20, number 19, and the final one was OM4, just to give her that transition from her ombre into her beautiful brighter ends. What was really nice with her installation is that I did not have to cut much of her hair because it was a beautiful seamless blend other than just some face framing.